Trước khi mình mở hộp mình sẽ cắt cái này. Các bạn thấy rõ không các bạn? Có đèn nè. Thấy rõ không các bạn? Có đèn đây nè. Mở hộp. Mình sẽ mở hộp nha các bạn. Mình sẽ mở hộp nha các bạn. Đó, thấy không các bạn? Mình mua đồ về để quay phim. Cái này là dây hdmi cable. Oh wow, this is cable. Dây này để cắm vô tàng hình với cắm vô monitor. Đây là rau. Ở đây là rau các bạn. Các bạn thấy không các bạn? Đây là rau rem. Các bạn thấy kìa, thấy không? Đó. Rau để quay phim. It's a beard. This is a chef's hat. Chef hat, cooking cap. Đây là áo để nấu ăn. Mình mặc áo mình nấu ăn. Đây là 64GB SanDisk Ultra. It looks new, I guess. Cái này nó người ta xài rồi nó trả lại, xong rồi mình mua rẻ hơn. Đây là HDMI to DVI cable. Cái này để cắm vô computer. HDMI to DVI cable. Mở vậy. Vậy thấy see that? Looks okay. Amazon Basics. So HDMI here and DVI here. This is a strange pin. I've never seen this pin before. Keep it there. It's a DVI cable. DVI is very old. It's just in case people still use DVI. I'll put this here. Cái này là gimbel. Giống như ai làm rách rồi. Mới tin mà có người nào làm rách rồi. Anybody open it? Kỳ quá à. Không biết có ai luyện không? Bị trầy. I will try this out later. I'll open this and try it out later. Okay. Put this in here. Rồi mình sẽ cắt cái hộp này nha các bạn. cái này đồ cân để cho mình cân để đồ đi để bán đồ ở internet. So this is the weight. It looks smaller than I expected. Acutech 110 pounds. I'll open this one. This one looks brand new. Okay, let's open it up. Cut it here. I like how it's nicely shrink wrapped without anybody touching it. Thấy mình biết nó mới là không có ai đụng nó, là nó gói kỹ lắm, nó mới không ai mở nó ra hết. Ok, mở sau đây. Các bạn thấy không? Có pin luôn, đã quá. 4 batteries in here. 1 battery, 2 battery. We got a USB cable. We got a what is this? Another USB cable. I don't know what this is for. Cái này là gì đây? Để what is that? Cái này để cắn vô cái cân. Ok, giờ lấy ra. Okay, kéo ra nha. Okay, nothing else in here. This để dành hộp mai mốt mình bán lại. Nó cuốn hay quá. Ok, cái này cắt ra. Okay, let's open this up. Digital scale monitor. Okay, we got a precision scale here. Precision scale is limited to 10-year warranty. Okay. We have a manual book here. Okay. I want to break it. And see, this is how you use it. Kilograms. Whoa. Error. Please do not weigh items over the scale capacity, which is 110 pounds. Don't weigh anything over 110 pounds. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, please remove cardboard under scale. Okay, so there's a cardboard under the scale. I think it's this thing. That's this thing right here. Yeah, cardboard right there. There's another one here. Okay. Now what do we do? Please remove cardboard under the scale. Oh, what? Oh, that's cool. So you open it up like this. What's this? Trying to figure out how you use this. Okay, what's this for? This is the battery, and this is the plug. And this is a USB cable in case you don't want to use electricity. I'm not going to use this. Whoa, this is different. Go in here, and then where it goes? Here, this goes in here, and this one goes inside here. This one goes in here. This one goes in here, I guess. Oh, this one goes in here, right there. Okay, so here. Alright, I plugged it in. And so now I can start weighing stuff, I guess. Please remove the cardboard for weighing. What cardboard are they talking about? Okay, let's see. Brief introduction. Overlock the weight. It's nice how they give us this and extra batteries. I'll just put in the batteries now. I don't want to plug it in all the time. Put in the batteries. Okay, A. Get some scissors out. Cut this up. Go. The battery setup is strange. That's weird. I've never seen like this. Then I close it up. Oh, it's on. Okay. So, how do we use this? Can you see that? Battery flashing. I'm gonna use it to weigh my books. Okay, low battery. So do we weigh in kilograms or pounds? I think we can weigh in pounds. We can weigh in ounce, grams, pounds. Weird. Let's weigh this scissor. 58 ounce. 5.8 ounce. Okay. Let's weigh this. Okay, 0.9. Okay. Let's weigh this isteady mobile. Let's see. 1 pound and 13 ounce. Wow. What else should I weigh? Let's weigh this bottle. 1 pound and 2.7 ounce. That's crazy. I didn't know this is 1 pound. Let's weigh this hydrogen peroxide. 7.8 ounce. Okay. Well, yeah, that's all I got today. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll figure it out next time. Oh, you can't see this, can you? It's right here. So I put on the scissors, and it's 5.7. Turn it off. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Subscribe.